Say you almost ran him over. Say what your whole chest is. It's on there. Girl, you ain't sleep. How was our nighttime?
2019년 9월 13일의 기록.
Oh, that's scary. Oh, she's brave. Not I. Not I, said the cat. The scaredy cat. Me. Still with me in my backyard, boy. Looking so good in your corduroy.
아니요, 좋아.
Boy, you better go Jamal your way out of this. Not her reaching for your bag. I know you the police, but dang. 가라. 아니, 가라, 아니야. 가세요.
지금 전화를 안 받아서.
내 게스트니까 잘못이야.
Girl, yeah, look at him twice. Where he come from? But he cute. Ooh, not a side smile. We're into that. This is so good. But sis, if you're gonna go to a club, can you dress the part? Embarrassing. I'm embarrassed. He acting drunk. I'm just a mirror. I'm in love. Now I'm supposed to be unhappy without someone. With my future. It's Monday and I am about to head out. Why am I looking over here? Going to the UPS store to send some stuff. And I'm also watching A Love So Beautiful on Netflix. It's such a cute drama. Seriously, I would highly, highly, highly recommend it. My ride's like 20 minutes away, so I have time to kill. So you guys can just watch me, watch TV, or listen to music. I don't know. Waiting for you even how you treat me. You're my baby even when you leave me. Can't say I love you no more, cause my friends, they'll judge me for sure. Oh, let me close the blinds first. And mask on. Let's go for a walk before I lose energy. Let's go. Not me with my feet in y'all face. This is essential. Otherwise I'm gonna be outside looking crusted, dusted. And we can't be having that. Brightest star. Getting that from YouTube. I'm gonna play some smooth jazz. Oh no, I'll play some lo-fi after this. With your heart for me, He calls me pretty, I feel like so proud, brighter than the blue sky. She's got you mesmerized.
Only minutes ago, you guys kicking on a field goal football head.
But that would only be a tie.
Better than losing. Come on, make the kick. Break.
I'd have to conclude, judging by the rather overt symbolism, that I'm currently experiencing negative feelings about certain inequalities in my relationship with Helga.